Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Flintridge local and long-distance movers near me. If you're wanting to take the stress and anxiety out of your move, our expert movers help make your long-distance move less complicated. Regardless of how far you need to move, our qualified crew of movers can make it so much simpler. By having the best moving services to assist you, any move, small or large, becomes so much simpler. We handle all the necessary moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. If you want to work with a California moving company, justifying the expense might seem to be difficult. However, after a close look at the primary benefits of working with a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. A reliable moving company is going to help you save time no matter how far you're going. Movers can also assure you don't have to manage any of the heavy lifting. Our moving team will make it simple to get to your new location without nearly as much stress. With a local moving company like 3 Movers, you get a more efficient move. Moving locally may be very fast, and our crew can deal with even a big move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Flintridge moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.